Welcome to the project demonstration of health parameters monitoring system by using ESP32, and we have done the coding in platformio in this version. So we are using this Visual Basics IDE for platformio. So we loaded the code in two ESP32s individually. So one ESP32 is to continuously plot the ECG using this ADI232 module, and the next is ESP32 will get the readings of glucose levels and Spo2 from this sensor, and blood pressure, systolic, diastolic and heart rate from this wrist model of BP model monitoring system. And these two are interfaced to this 5V power supply, which is directly getting from this adapter. So you can use this USB, and based on your country model, and directly we can provide this power supply. So initially connect this ESP32, so which is to monitor the ECG, and this is directly to the Bluetooth communication. So connect this to a laptop and open the serial terminal. So install Arduino IDE to get the serial plotter. This just install that, and so after that connect to the COM number. So it's a COM9 which we got from this device manager, and after that directly you can go to the tools and serial plotter. So now we're going to directly getting the ECG signals, right? So right, be calm, and now so mount these electrodes as I shown here, red and green for the right side and yellow for the left side, and mount this wrist model over here. And now let us check with the Bluetooth monitoring of these health parameters. So initially I am unpairing that. So when you are demonstrating first time, we need to pair to this one through the settings initially. That's the ESP32. Directly it will pair. On successful pair, it will be there in our history. And now we need to install this serial Bluetooth terminal application in Android mobile phone, and go to devices, ESP32 and connected. Okay, so now we can see the glucose value 0, Spo2 is 90 for previous values, and if we reset this and pair that, pairing, right, connected. Now we can see the values over here. So BP has always 0, so glucose sensor. Just I'm placing the finger inside this sensor module. So now it is keep on plotting the values, sending them to the glucose values as well as Spo2 values. So when we remove the finger from the sensor, the glucose values will be 0, but the Spo2 values will be captured and shown over here directly. So its default values is 78, and when we place the finger, the values will be appeared, right? Okay, and now coming to the BP, just after mounting this is a switch. Just press this and wait till the air is pumping into this, and it will release the air and it will calculate the BP values. So as of now the values are 0, 0. Right, slowly it will release the air and it will calculate it, and end of that it will display the captured value of systolic, diastolic and heart rate. Right, so if you move the hands, then it will push the error, and again I'm pumping that. So place the hand in resting mode, as we know that while calculating the blood pressure values. And these are the ECG signals we are getting properly. Mounting the ECG electrodes properly to get the accurate values of ECG signal. Right, now it is calculating that. So once the calculation was done, then it will push the values to the Bluetooth, as we are using the inbuilt Bluetooth of ESP32. right? Okay, same values we're going to getting here, right? 157 by 102 and heart rate values. So we're going to get the same values over here, and along with the ECG signal and glucose values and Spo2 values and heart rate. Thank you.